In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Minecraft with keyboard and mouse on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which smartphone you have, either an iOS device or an Android device, you will be able to connect the keyboard and mouse combo to play single player, multiplayer, and so on. So this will work with any model of keyboard and mouse that you have. Even if you have a wired version, you will still be able to do this. So first, if you have a wireless keyboard and mouse combo like this one from Logitech, which supports Bluetooth, this is going to be the most convenient way to connect them. So I highly recommend purchasing a wireless keyboard and mouse if you can. For Bluetooth, all that you have to do is go over to the settings on your device, access the Bluetooth category and enable it. Now set your keyboard and mouse into pairing mode. Usually, they will have a specific button that you press to enable pairing mode. So, like this keyboard from Logitech, they have these buttons that you can press to pair up to 3 different devices at once. Alternatively, you might have to do a button combination or look underneath your specific peripheral and then find the button to enable pairing mode. Once pairing mode is enabled, they will appear under the list of available devices and you can choose them from the list. Afterwards, open Minecraft and they will work natively. If you don't have a wireless keyboard and mouse, then you will have to purchase a hub like this one, usually USB-C. So you can find these hubs on places like Amazon, and as you can see, they plug into your phone and they will give you access to more USB ports. And then afterwards, you plug the keyboard and mouse into the available USB ports on the hub. Likewise, there is no secret to this. Immediately upon opening Minecraft and going over to the settings, you will find the keyboard and mouse controls settings and you can change them at your own will. And when you go into single player, multiplayer, and so on, the keyboard and mouse will be used instead of touch controls. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with keyboard and mouse on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.